John.
Concerning sir, you have section 301, here is your key card and your personal background assist. Hi sir, I'm Mr. Bird. I'm Mel, your personal background. Let me assist you. By the way, sir, let me allow you to introduce our facilities. We have free access in pool at the top of the building, and we have a free breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay. Let me walk you to
Go.
This is your so you will put your key card here to activate your room electricity. Okay. Would you allow me to help unpack your luggage, sir?
Sure.
Sir, what you want to you will want you want do you want me to polish your shoes, sir? Please. I'm done unpacking your luggage, sir. By the way, here's your queen bed, queen size bed, and here's your personal mode. You can put your small things here. And here is your remote for television and remote for aircon. Here is your minibar. All items here will be consumed.
Go.
Here is your minibar, and all items. This is your minibar, and anything you consume will be added to your bill upon checkout. Here is the complimentary coffee and tea, and this is your water. This way to your bathroom, sir. And there's a shower. There is shower inside and bathtub. If you want to change your temperature, you can
Shower and bathtub.
Push, just push. Structure. This way to your bathroom. There's a shower inside if you want. Yes, right. If you want,
Red pearl sa kanan mo. Sama ka na rin sa pamilya.
just push. Red for hot, blue for cold. And there's a cover and toiletries. Anything you anything else? None. If you have concern or needs, just dial 1 for housekeeping and 2 for. Oh, yes.